Started small, just words. Nobody thought it would go that far. Then she stepped in. Nimenzeni umntanam, hey nina hey umntanam. Nimenzeni umntanam, hey nina hey umntanam. It was just another day in the Kasi street. Voices getting loud, standing on our feet. Didn't mean harm, it was pride and heat. Till a mother's cry made the world skip a beat. She came running, eyes full of fire. Not feeling, not something higher. Hands shaking, but her voice got louder. Touch my child, she stepped in closer. Now what everything froze, like time stood still. No music, no noise, just raw will. That moment hit deeper than the fight. A mother's love turned into fire. Nimenzeni umntanam, hey, hey, nana. Nimenzeni umntanam, hey, hey, nana. You could see pain written on her face, like life had already put her through a race. Now she's standing guard, no second place for her child. She challenged any space, no weapon drawn, just a heart so fierce. Every word she spoke, you could feel it pierce. We stepped back quick, yeah, the message clear. This ain't just anger, this is love right here. We all got mothers, but not all love looks the same. Some fight in silence, some scream your name in the rain. Nimenzeni umntanam, hey, na, hey, na, na. Hey, nimenzeni umntanam, hey, na, hey, na, na. Hey, na, na. That day was won by who was right. It was a